So now in this video we're going to take a quick look at the photodiode, or a light dependent diode right here. So it's not like a light dependent resistor where it has a resistance that changes. It actually passes a certain amount of current based on how much light is going through it. I don't know what the limit is for the current we can set through it though, so we will set a maximum with the 510 ohm resistor depending on the voltage that we use. So you use it reverse bias, short lead the cathode to the resistor going to the positive supply, and the long lead, the anode, going to that jumper which goes directly to ground. Since it looks like a clear LED, I stuck them in this baggie. I have a label maker and I made a label there. As soon as I'm done with this, I'm going to put it back in the baggie so I don't get it confused. Now, we are going to wash out the display here. Let's put it back down to 5 volts. And so, if I press that button there, now we got the backlit there. And that looks washed out now until I get the light. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually, there we go, I'm going to try to stop at 2 milliamps. So I can raise it, and that's probably what the limit of the resistor is setting for our current at 5 volts there. And so here we have 2 milliamps. You'll see as I raise the voltage, the current stays the same. So it's limiting the current. And I think I got a little closer there. I think that's why it went up a little bit. There we go. We're back to 2. And I'll drop the voltage. Maybe it did go up a little bit due to that relatively high voltage right there. So, but there you can see current's holding steady as we change the voltage quite a bit. And with the 510 ohm resistor, getting it really bright, there we go. That's the current is being limited by the resistor right there. So I got that so we could do that with 9 volts right there. And hopefully not overheat anything. So let's press that button, turn the light off there. So the main takeaway is, it's basically a current source. It's going to let through a certain amount of current, but based on the voltage that you apply, and the amount of current is based on how much light is falling on it. But based on the voltage you provide, you want to set a limit beyond that. So the 510 will give us our maximum amount of current that can flow through based on the voltage. If the photodiode wants more current than that.